Hello fellow travelers, are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey? Japan beckons with a captivating blend of ancient traditions and modern marvels. It's a place where the past and future coexist in perfect harmony. Picture serene temples, bustling cities, and breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine walking through streets filled with history and culture, while also experiencing the vibrant energy of modern life. From the moment you step off the plane, you'll be immersed in a world of wonder. Every corner of Japan offers a new adventure, a new story waiting to be discovered. Get ready to embrace the magic of Japan. Whether it's the serene beauty of a sunset over the Torii Gates or the tranquility of a traditional tea ceremony, there's magic in every moment. Japan offers something for everyone. Families can enjoy picnics under cherry blossoms, while friends can dive into the vibrant nightlife of cities like Osaka. History buffs can explore ancient temples and castles. The intricate details and stories behind these structures will leave you fascinated. Foodies can indulge in delicious cuisine, from sushi to ramen. Every meal is an adventure, a chance to taste the rich flavors of Japanese culinary traditions. Nature lovers can hike scenic trails and soak in hot springs. The natural beauty of Japan is unparalleled, offering serene landscapes and rejuvenating experiences. And for those seeking a taste of the future, Japan's cutting-edge technology and vibrant pop culture will leave you in awe. From bullet trains to cosplay events, the future is now in Japan. Whether you're dreaming of tranquil gardens or thrilling theme parks, careful planning is key to unlocking the best of Japan. Each experience is unique and unforgettable. Let's dive into how to make your dream trip a reality. With the right planning and a sense of adventure, Japan is ready to welcome you with open arms. Your Japanese adventure begins with booking your flight. This is the first step in what promises to be an unforgettable journey. Japan has several international airports, each serving as a gateway to different regions. Whether you're heading to the bustling cities or the serene countryside, there's an airport that will get you there. Tokyo's Narita and Haneda airports are popular choices for those heading to the capital or beyond. These airports are well connected and offer numerous amenities to make your arrivals smooth and comfortable. For travelers exploring Kyoto, Osaka, or Hiroshima, Kansai International Airport is a convenient option. It provides easy access to some of Japan's most historic and culturally rich cities. To secure the best deals, start your flight search early. Booking in advance can save you money and ensure you get the flights that best fit your schedule. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring from March to May, or autumn from September to November, for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. These times of year offer beautiful scenery and a more relaxed travel experience. Utilize flight comparison websites or apps to compare prices and find the most suitable options for your itinerary. These tools can help you find the best deals and make informed decisions about your travel plans. Remember to check visa requirements well in advance and factor in potential jet lag. Preparing for these aspects of your trip can help ensure a smoother and more enjoyable journey. With your flights booked, you're one step closer to experiencing the land of the rising sun. Get ready for an adventure filled with rich culture, stunning landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. Japan offers a diverse range of accommodations to suit every taste and budget. From traditional ryokans or Japanese inns to modern hotels, you'll find a comfortable and welcoming place to rest your head. If you're seeking an authentic cultural experience, consider staying at a ryokan. These charming inns feature tatami mat floors, futon beds, and often include communal baths and traditional meals. For a more contemporary stay, numerous hotels offer stylish rooms and modern amenities. Booking your accommodations in advance is crucial, especially if you're traveling during peak season or visiting popular destinations. Websites like Booking.com offer a wide selection of options, allowing you to compare prices, read reviews, and secure your ideal lodging. For an extra touch of magic, consider booking a stay at one of Japan's unique themed accommodations. Disney fans will be enchanted by the Tokyo DisneySea Hotel MiraCosta, where you can immerse yourself in the world of Disney magic. Fans of the Wizarding World can't miss the Harry Potter studio tour in Tokyo. To complete the experience, consider staying at a nearby hotel that embraces the Harry Potter theme. Imagine sipping butterbeer in a cozy pub, or waking up in a room inspired by Hogwarts Castle. These extraordinary accommodations often have limited availability, so booking several months in advance is essential. Don't miss out on the chance to make your stay in Japan even more memorable. Section 5. Unforgettable experiences booking your adventures. Japan is a country brimming with unforgettable experiences. From exploring whimsical theme parks to immersing yourself in art and nature, there's something to captivate every traveler. For a journey into the world of animation, Ghibli Park is a must-visit. Step into the enchanting worlds of your favorite Studio Ghibli films, like My Neighbor Totoro and Spirited Away. Another captivating experience awaits at TeamLab Planets, where you can wander through immersive digital art installations that blur the lines between reality and fantasy. Tickets for these popular attractions often sell out quickly, so it's crucial to secure your spot in advance. Websites like Klook offer convenient online booking options, allowing you to plan your itinerary with ease. Section 6. A culinary journey, reserving your spot at Japan's finest. Japanese cuisine is a delightful adventure for the senses. From delicate sushi to flavorful ramen, prepare to be tantalized by the country's culinary delights. For a truly unforgettable dining experience, consider reserving a table at one of Japan's Michelin-starred restaurants. In Kyoto, Monk is a must-visit for its innovative take on traditional Japanese cuisine. The restaurant's intimate setting and meticulously crafted dishes are sure to impress even the most discerning palate. Reservations are highly recommended, especially during peak season. Many restaurants in Japan, particularly those with limited seating or high demand, require reservations. Utilize online reservation platforms like TableCheck to secure your spot and avoid disappointment. Section 7. Immersing in culture booking traditional experiences. Japan's rich cultural heritage is best experienced firsthand. From serene temples to traditional tea ceremonies, there are countless opportunities to immerse yourself in the country's traditions. One such experience is a visit to Saihoji, also known as the Moss Temple in Kyoto. This tranquil temple is renowned for its stunning moss garden, home to over 120 varieties of moss. To visit Saihoji, you'll need to make a reservation in advance, as entry is limited to preserve the garden's tranquility. For thrill seekers, Universal Studios Japan offers an adrenaline-pumping day out. To maximize your time and skip the queues, consider purchasing express passes in advance. These passes grant you expedited entry to select rides and attractions. Section 8. Navigating the country booking your Shinkansen journey. Japan's efficient and comfortable Shinkansen or bullet train network is an excellent way to travel between cities. These high-speed trains offer a scenic and convenient mode of transportation. For a memorable journey, book your Shinkansen tickets about 2 weeks before your travel date. This will give you the best chance of securing window seats, especially if you're traveling on popular routes. Be sure to request seats on the right-hand side of the train for breathtaking views of Mount Fuji on your journey between Tokyo and Osaka. You can purchase Shinkansen tickets at train stations or online. Consider purchasing a Japan Rail Pass if you plan on doing extensive train travel, as it can save you money compared to buying individual tickets. Section 9. Final touches. Ensuring a smooth arrival and departure is crucial for a stress-free travel experience. With your major bookings secured, such as flights and accommodations, it's time to add the finishing touches to ensure a smooth and stress-free trip. This includes arranging for airport transfers in advance to avoid any hassle upon arrival. Consider booking a private car or shared shuttle service for a comfortable and convenient option. These services can save you time and provide peace of mind. If you're planning on renting a pocket Wi-Fi router to stay connected during your trip, make sure to reserve one in advance to ensure availability. These portable devices provide convenient internet access on the go, allowing you to navigate, translate, and share your experiences with ease. Double-check your passport validity, ensure you have any necessary visas, and pack accordingly for Japan's diverse climate. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the local transportation options, such as trains and buses, to make getting around easier. Additionally, consider downloading useful travel apps that can assist you with navigation, language translation, and finding local attractions. Packing the right clothing for various weather conditions will ensure you're comfortable throughout your trip. Organize your travel documents and essentials in a way that's easily accessible. With these final details taken care of, you can relax and look forward to an incredible journey. Enjoy the anticipation and excitement of your upcoming adventure, knowing that you've prepared thoroughly for a smooth arrival and departure. Section 10. Ready for takeoff. Your Japanese adventure awaits. Congratulations! You're now well equipped to plan the perfect trip to Japan. By booking your flights, accommodations, and key experiences in advance, you'll be able to relax and savor every moment of your journey. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Kyoto, Japan promises an unforgettable adventure. Embrace the blend of tradition and modernity, immerse yourself in the rich culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels! And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.